for a small business setup, presentation, conference, online interviews. Are you fed up with your giant investment in computer laptops? Investing huge amount for high-tech gadgets? Here is an easy solution. Raspberry Pi. Why to spend more money for your requirement on high-tech computer laptops if you can do all your work through small devices? Pay only what you use. Here is an innovation solution. Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is a series of small single-board computers. You can use this tiny computer for educational purposes, home automation, industrial automation, commercial products, robots, plane automation, and many more creative high-tech innovation. You just need to learn how to use this device. This tutorial will make you professional and creative thinking towards high-tech industry. This tutorial consists of total 25 lessons, begins from introduction to major projects and programming in Python. You will learn the following: Raspberry Pi Basics, where you can learn what you can do after the first start of the Raspberry Pi operating system. Hardware-based projects, where you can learn what else is possible with modules and sensors for this small computer. Software-based projects, where you will get inspiration for your first easy software projects for your everyday life. The next will be the home automation. You will get a hands-on example of how you will easily automate your home. In this tutorial, you will get all small details, explanations of Raspberry Pi and will make you more professional. You can use this lesson as much repetition as you want till make you professional. These lessons are prepared by a professional team who have experience over 15 years on this Raspberry Pi. So, why don't you try for it? It's easy and professional. Please sign up and get ready to high-tech world. Spend just $24.99 to get high-tech home. You can click on link below for further processes. Enjoy your high-tech career.